Analyzing market behavior can be challenging for even the most savvy technicians, but intuitively the concept is simple. When demand exceeds supply, markets will rise, and when supply surpasses demand, prices fall. By analyzing volume data alongside price data though, we can find the tells in the charts that will ultimately allow us to beat the pros at their own game. It works like this. In the chart of IDXX, our new volume heat indicator alerts you to a large accumulation event in the chart. When the volume heat shows spikes near recent lows, it is a good indication that the smart money is buying shares at ultra cheap prices, caused by an excessively fearful herd of less savvy investors. When people get scared, prices get cheap, and that's just what the pros need to start their little shell game. After the pros have stocked up at low prices, they're not going to sell until someone pays them some profit. They don't make their money from selling for a loss. So in short, what has happened, the pros have removed a large supply, but demand still remains the same. Hence, when the fear inevitably dissipates, prices begin to rise. As long as the imbalance remains, the stock will show an upside bias. As prices rise, more and more unsavvy traders try to jump onto the trend. Some of the early ones might make money, but most of them, well, you'll see. As the chart moves higher and higher, everyone starts to believe the illusion of an unbreakable trend. And when positive news comes out, in this case it was better than expected earnings, a full-fledged buying frenzy breaks out. Who is the herd buying from here? Volume heat once again gives you the answer. The huge upside spike in volume heat lets you know that the pros have now decided the price is high enough and are distributing their shares. You know those same shares they bought down at 50? Now that's a handsome profit. With the smart money no longer holding on to a large chunk of the available supply, the balance has now shifted back neutral, or perhaps even a little bearish. The deflated market now trades flat to down as all those unlucky traders who bought on the frenzy become disillusioned with that seemingly foolproof trend that sputtered out just when they bought in. Inevitably, they sell their shares, chalk it up to bad luck, and start looking for the next surefire trend to jump onto. Once you have volume heat, you can see exactly how this shell game works, and that's information you can profit from. And you know what? It works in real time too. Check out the chart of Caterpillar. Accumulate, distribute, accumulate, distribute. It's all right there, plotted in the volume heat. And what's more, with Volume Systems 2.0, not only do you get this outstanding volume heat indicator, you get the whole package. This means you also get our new volume weighted indicators, which react with lightning speed around turning points in the chart. You get count them, 4 new volume systems based on crossovers and divergences of these amazing new indicators. And most importantly, you get our 2 new mechanical trading strategies, which leverage all these new tools to generate amazing trading opportunities like this recent trade on X-Ray. Once again, volume heat shows a strong accumulation bar the day before the volume system's long-term strategy fires a long signal. A couple days later, a second accumulation bar forms, and presto changeo, a rally breaks out on the very next bar. So far, this trade has pushed up almost 9%, and folks, that's the power of volume systems too. When you can actually see the balance of supply and demand shift, it's easy to predict what's going to happen next. You're gonna make money.